How you doing? Great. Final day. There's some pizza waiting for us. Yeah. So, thank you for being here. You don't have a choice either, so... well, I'm going to talk first a bit about me. I'm Yago Vega, 22 years old, born and raised in Madrid, Spain, software engineering student, just graduated from the web dev bootcamp in Madrid 3 months ago. I'm joining the UX bootcamp in Miami because there's free but limited tap beer and occasionally pizza. And a fun fact, I make origami. So the agenda, this is what I'm going to be going through today. Problem definition, people dress up every day. They choose their outfits every day. They spend more time than they would like to. So with this problem, I decided to research a bit what are some tools that are out there in the market to help people with this. This is some features that they offer. I did some user research. This is the quantitative data from 195 surveys. 47% spend 5 minutes or less choosing outfits, 45% spend more or less 10 minutes, and 75% feel like they could be more efficient and spend less time. 88% care about matching their clothes, and 60% prefer to wear the same combinations as usual rather than trying new things. These are some quotes from the interviews. Even though I have my closet full of clothes, sometimes I can't decide on what I wear, and it feels like I have nothing to wear. The most frustrating thing for me is matching several layers of clothes, because sometimes I don't know if I have too many colors with the jacket, sweater, blah, blah. I need something to tell me if the t-shirt I'm looking for is in the laundry or needs ironing. I need a way to try new outfits without spending more time. The older I get, the less time I spend choosing clothes. So, with these insights, I had to decide whether I want to position my idea in the market right now, like more in the lower left corner, like free and managing your own closet rather than shopping. From the insights I got from the research, I built this affinity map, getting all the ideas together in categories. So I built my user persona. This is like a tool to help me empathize with my user target. I present you Undisturbable Rachel. One of her frustrations is like she spends too much time dressing up. This is her journey map. As you can see, the main low point in her journey is when she wakes up and she feels frustrated because she has to think a good combination since matching clothes is really important to her. So this is a good opportunity to provide her with a tool to help her with that. So based on this, I was able to build my MVP, the minimum viable product, with a virtual closet with clothes uploads, an outfit generator based on clothes, and a laundry management. To represent you, dress up. Don't be stressed, just get dressed. From this, I went with the concept sketching, like drawing and testing. From 5 tests, 80% of the people prefer a more visual layout, so I changed from the text to images. 80% didn't like the outfit and upload button, so I changed them. And 100% of the people thought that the process is straightforward, so that's good. And one quote is, I'm a visual person, I like pictures. This is the mood board and some brand attributes, like it's warm, modern, fun. This is the style tile with some colors and elements. I coded a little landing page, like here. These are some high fidelity mockups before the prototype here. Let's see if this works. Yeah, so you log in, and the first thing you see is your closet with all the clothes you have already uploaded. You can upload more, you can take a picture, choose from the gallery. There you see the picture of the clothes. You can choose the main color, the name, the size. It gets uploaded, and you can choose whether to generate an outfit from the clothes you have already, and you see like one is dirty and the other one is clean. You can choose the color match level from strict to subtle, the weather, it's warm, cold, or wet, and the occasion. You confirm, it generates an outfit for you. You can change if you don't want like particular clothes. and you just wear it. You can go to the laundry. You see the dirty clothes there already. Some animations going on. You can wash them. And this is it. There. Okay, next steps. Okay. Test the hi-fi and iterate. Find a good business model, whether with ads or premium features. Polish the market interactions. Tweak the outfit generator options to provide with more options. And research on image cropping libraries for the image upload when you take pictures of the clothes if you want to crop it. This is it. Thank you very much. This is my contact info.